Well, not an unpredictable response from you. The usual evasion of evidence and denial of reality. And the story seems to be changing a little bit now, doesn't it? Now we've actually seen some evidence and you kind of pennies dropping a bit. So now the story's changing to if something goes one velocity, it will go a certain distance before it hits the ground. And if something's going two velocity, it'll go twice the distance before it hits the ground, which, yes, that's correct. But that was never your argument, was it really? And, 3 years of making videos and making the same argument is all on record. And your argument was that with the same energy and halving the mass, the reality is that when you halve the mass, it doesn't go twice as fast. That's been shown. Your prediction, one mass with the same energy will go twice as far. That doesn't happen. That was your prediction. That's what you've claimed continually. That's what you've ridiculed people for. You've slandered them. You've slagged them off, saying it can't be true. But unfortunately for you, this is the truth, not this. And for somebody who's supposedly got a unifying theory and can explain, wave theory and photons, you don't even understand how the humble spring works. I mean, that's beyond your capacity. So to go to all these other way more complex things, try understanding how this works first, and then you might get somewhere. And the point you totally missed, because again, your predictions, your claims, your momentum is everything. We had a 2 mass moving 1 velocity, and we had a 1 mass moving 2 velocity. And the 2 mass at 1 velocity gave some compression, and the 1 mass at 2 velocity gave more compression because it's more energetic. This has the same momentum. This is the point you're not getting. If momentum is everything and there's no such thing as kinetic energy, then where's this energy coming from? That's what you've got to ask yourself. I mean, at the end of the day, you're deluding yourself here. The evidence has been shown time and time again. Steve did the launching years ago, launching off a tabletop using your launch method, your experiment, with your launching device, and even that was denied. You lied about the launcher wasn't shown, which it clearly was. You can just keep denying and lying, but at the end of the day, you are just deluding yourself. And you might delude some of your followers, but you're going nowhere.